Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for watching in my presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Iwan from Department of Mathematics, Parayangan Catholic University. In this opportunity, I would like to present sensitivity analysis of basic reproduction number on the HIV or AIDS disease transmission model without and with the presence of education and treatment. First, I will I will explain to you about HIV. HIV is a virus that attacks and damages cells in the human immune system, which weakens the body's ability in fight infections against disease every day. The diagnosis of AIDS can be confirmed by the presence of opportunities infections or when the CD4 cells in the body have decreased significantly to the number of less than 200 cells per microliter of blood. The number of cases of HIV or AIDS can also be reduced by providing socialization or education to the public about the disease and its remission and prevention. So that in this paper, a mathematical model of the spread of HIV or AIDS will be examined without any profession of education and without anyone doing HRV, ARV treatment, as well as a mathematical model of the spread of HIV or AIDS with socialization or education as uh, an effort to prevent the spread of its HIV infection and the presence of humans perform ARV treatment when infected with the HIV virus. The basic reproduction number are zero is the average number of the new infections occurring as a result of transmission by infected individual in a population. The criteria for the basic reproduction number can be divided into three R0. First, R0 greater than 1, R0 less than 1, and the last R0 is equal to 1. Sensitivity analysis is performed to determine parameters that have a large or small effect on disease transmission and spread in a population. The sensitivity index on the basic reproduction number R0 was used to see the influence of its parameter on disease transmission and spread. The sensitivity index is the ratio of the relative change in the variable to the parameter change. So it can be written as follows, where P is the parameter to be determined to magnitude of its influence, and R0 is the variable used to determine the sensitivity index of each parameter. Given mathematical model distribution of HIV or AIDS without education and treatment. S is the subpopulation of the number susceptible individuals, and I for the subpopulation of the number of individuals infected with the HIV virus that can transmit, and A is for the subpopulation of the number of individuals uh, infected with the HIV virus has developed into AIDS. The parameters is used in the formation of this model is are gamma, peak gamma is birth rate, beta is transmission rate, and mu is natural death rate. Gamma is the rate of the transfer of the number of infected individuals to AIDS. And delta is death rate caused by HIV or AIDS. The basic reproduction number for this model is equal to beta per mu plus gamma. Next, mathematical model, the distribution of HIV or AIDS without education and treatment. Sensitivity analysis is of basic reproduction numbers. Yeah. Or in table 3 or dot 2, it can be seen that the parameter that must influence the spread of HIV or AIDS is the transmission rate parameter from a susceptible individual to an infected individual is beta. The sensitivity index for parameter beta has a positive value, which indicates that the greater the value of beta, the greater the number of individuals infected with the HIV virus and vice versa. Given a mathematical model distribution of HIV or AIDS with education and treatment is a mathematical model, and a basic reproduction number for this model is given by this. Parameter values and initial values as follows, and given are values of parameters in the mathematical model for the spread of HIV or AIDS with education and treatment is follows. Based on table 4.4, it can be seen that the parameter that most influence the spread of HIV or AIDS with the condition R0 is less than to 1. Parameter of transmission rate of susceptible individuals by undiagnosed individuals infected with the HIV virus beta 1. In table 4.5, it can be seen that the rate of transmission of susceptible individuals by undiagnosed individuals infected with the HIV virus beta 1 has the largest positive value. And the last is conclusions. Sensitivity analysis for the model of disease spread without education and treatment shows that the most influential parameter is the transmission rate parameter, is beta, which has the most positive value, and the rate parameter of transfer of the number of infected individuals to AIDS is gamma, which has the most negative value. Sensitivity analysis for disease spread models with education and treatment shows that when the conditions are disease-free and endemic, the most influence parameter is the transmission rate parameter of susceptible individuals by infected individuals who do not know or diagnose beta 1, which has the most positive value, and the parameter of the success rate of providing education to vulnerable individuals, which has the most negative value. Based on the sensitivity analysis, it is advisable to conduct more educational outreach on HIV or AIDS to the public because the level of education greatly influences the spread of HIV or AIDS. In the next discussion, the authors suggest analyzing mathematical models of the spread of HIV or AIDS in the presence of other factors that influence the spread of disease. For example, environmental factors. And last, given the references for my research, one, 2, 3, and the last is 7. Thank you for listening my video. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Thank you.